Students, today we are going to continue with the module 4 of motion in one dimension chapter, and our today's topic is equation of motion. Now see, there are three equation of motion. First is V is equal to u plus at. This is first equation of motion. Now next one, S equal to ut plus half at square. This is the second equation of motion. And next is v square is equal to u square plus 2as. This is the third equation of motion. So these are the three equation of motions where the u stands for initial velocity of the body, v stands for the final velocity of the body, a is the acceleration of the body, t is the time taken by the body, and s is the distance covered. So the terms and the symbols which you are seeing, these are the meaning of those things, and accordingly in the numericals you have to select the equation according to the data given to the numericals, and you have to apply in various numericals this formulas. So let us see some numericals. First is see, a body is initially at rest, travels a distance 100 meter in 5 seconds with a constant acceleration. Calculate the acceleration, number one. Number two, the final velocity at the end of 5 seconds. Now see student, first line, a body is initially at rest, right? So by this term initially at rest, we are getting u equal to 0. These are our given data. Now we got u equal to 0 because the body is initially at rest. So our u is equal to 0. Next, it travels a distance of 100 meter. Now see, the distance given is how much? 100 meter, and time also given in the question, see, 5 seconds. Now since the distance is given, so we can choose either of these two formula, right? We can choose either of these two formula because in both the two formulas distance is given. But see, we have in this formula we are going to choose, means in this sum we are going to choose s equal to ut plus half at square, because if you will choose v square equal to u square plus 2as, now see in this sum v, that is final velocity, is not given, right? And similarly your a, acceleration, is also not given. Now two missing datas will come across if you choose this formula. So we are going to choose this formula for this sum. So what is the formula is saying? S equal to ut plus half at square. Now see, s equal to 100, it is given in the question only. Now u, see u, it is 0 because it is said the body is rest. Now time taken is 5 seconds, that is 5, plus half into a, we are going to calculate a, the acceleration, so it is a only, into t square, that is 5 square. Now see, this term will get cancelled, so you are left with 100 is 100 equal to half a into 5 square. To get a, simply do cross multiplication, you bring this 2 up, right, and you bring this 5 square down. So 100 into 2 by 5 square will give you required acceleration. Now 100 into 2 by 5 square is 25, you cancel, you will get a equal to 8 meter per second square is the acceleration of the body. Now we have got acceleration. Now next part they are telling find the final velocity. Now from the first equation of motion we know v equal to u plus at. We can use this formula. You can use any formula, fine, there is no big deal, but we can use this formula, is the easiest one. Since we have got our acceleration, we know u, we have t, so use this formula to get v. So v equal to u plus at, u is 0, plus a 8, just now we have calculated, and time is given 5 seconds. So 0 plus 8 5s are 40, so 40 meter per second is your required answer. Now next, see, a ball is initially moving with a velocity of 0.5 meter per second. So initially moving means u, we have got our u 0.5 meter per second. Now if the velocity decreases, now students see, at a rate of 0.05 meter per second square, by seeing the unit only meter per second square, you are getting that it is acceleration, because the unit of acceleration is only meter per second square. But since it decreases, so it is a retardation, to be more specific. So retardation is nothing but a negative acceleration, and that retardation is given in the question is how much? 0.05. And since it is retardation, you take as minus, take the value in negative, because retardation is negative acceleration. Fine. Now it is saying how much time it will take, means they are asking you to calculate time to stop. So stop means its final velocity should be 0, means the body is going to stop, means v0. So these are the given datas. Now use this formula, v equal to u plus at, v equal to u plus at, use formula. So v equal to 0, it is given because final velocity it is going to stop, so v equal to 0 is equal to u, that is 0.5 given, plus at. Now a you are going to put minus 0.05 since it is a retardation, so its value should be negative, so minus 0.05 into t. Got it? So this is 0. Now this is minus 0.02. You send this to that side, so this minus will go to that side of the equal to sign, it will become plus. So 0.05 t is equal to 0.5 this. So your t will be, you bring this 0.5 down by cross multiplication, 0.5 by 0.05, you cancel, you will get 10 seconds is the required answer. Now see the next sum, a car initially at rest. So initially at rest means we got our one data, that is u equal to 0, starts moving with a constant acceleration, that is a equal to 0.5. Now it is having a constant acceleration, okay. So a equal to 0.5, so we have got our u a also we have got, and travels a distance of 25 meter. So distance is also given, so we can choose either of this two formula for this. Fine. So u given 0, acceleration, that is initial velocity 0, acceleration is 0.5 meter per second square, and distance is 25. Now they are asking you to calculate v. Now we know v square equal to u square plus 2as, right? From the third equation of motion, v square equal to u square plus 2as. Use this formula, v square equal to u square plus 2as. So you will get v square equal to u given 0, put the value from the data, 0 square plus 2 into a acceleration is given 0.5, and s distance is given 25. So this term will get cancelled, 0 square. So you will get 25 into 0.5 into 2, that is 0.5 into 2, that is 1 into 25 will be 25. So v square equal to 25, so v will be root under 25, right? To get rid of this square, we have to do root on both sides, root 25. You are getting 5 meter per second. So we have got our first answer, v equal to 5 meter per second. Next again we have to calculate the time. So use this formula, v equal to u plus at. This is the basic formula. So we have already calculated 5, put u is 0 given in the question only, plus a, that is 0.5 into t. Fine. So this term has no meaning. So 5, you bring this 0.5 down, will give you required t. So you put 1 0 here, this point will go, you cancel this 550, you will get 10 seconds is the required answer. So students, we are going to continue with more numericals in our next video of equation of motion. Till then, keep practicing. Thanks for watching. This is Shagnik sir.